I'm Galen Lehman. I'm standing in Lehman's laundry room. I wanted to show you some of the really cool things that we have for washing clothes. At Lehman's, you know, we don't go for the conventional way. You won't find any washers and dryers that are electrically powered here. Everything we do is hand powered or done the old-fashioned way. I think you'll enjoy what you find, and let me tell you, there's real pride in doing your wash that way, and I guarantee you that clothes come out cleaner. So, this is Lehman's hand-powered washing machine, a product I helped personally design and that I'm very proud of. The entire body is stainless steel, so you know you have something durable. We put a clear Lexan lid on it. Lexan is a very durable material, not glass or plastic. It's very difficult to break it. And it's nice because when the lid is on, you can see exactly what's going on inside the machine. There's a lever which has a double action to it, so that you can move the handle effortlessly even when it's full of water. Across the bottom of the machine, there's a triangle-shaped sweeper that pushes water up through the clothes and also swirls the clothes through the water to get your clothes clean much quicker. In a matter of really just a few minutes, you can have clean clothes with this machine. Underneath the machine, we've put a drain, so it's easy to get the water out of it. That drain has a hose connection. If you're doing your laundry inside the house, you can run the hose out the door to the nearest drain. Of course, if you're doing your laundry outside, you can just let the water go on the ground. And by the way, speaking of doing it outside, the most remote place that we've sold this washing machine to is a place in Alaska where it was delivered by seaplane. And that is one of the nice things about this machine. Even though it works really well and it's exceptionally well built, it comes in a pretty compact box, and it's light enough that you can take it, you know, pretty much anywhere you need to. The wringer, which is where you put your clothes through after you've washed them to get the excess water out of them. The wringer has been made in the same factory since the 1930s. By the way, everything here is US made. We're always trying to find you good US made products. You simply feed the clothes through here, turn this crank. The water is going to drain back so there's less waste. And the typical process would be to fill this with soapy water, wash, then feed your clothes through the wringer, and then keep an extra tub on the side to do your rinsing, and then back through the wringer and ready to hang them up. Simple, fast process. There is no easier way to wash your clothes by hand than using this machine. You know, just like when you do clothes in your automatic washing machine, when you do them by hand, you need a double rinse at the end. We have this Amish-made rinse tub, a strong aluminum frame, welded up here not too far from the store, and it's got two tubs on it, complete with drains and plugs. You rinse in one, you rinse in the second, and by the time you're done, you have soap-free clothes, all rinsed out. The thing I really like about it is the way it's constructed. It's made to take a beating. It comes disassembled in a relatively small box, so it's easy to move from place to place. It's light in terms of the weight, but it's strong in terms of how it's built. Things we're quite proud of is our American-made washboards. We buy them from the last factory in the United States that still makes these. They're great for getting stains out. The Rub-A-Dub Mini is often used by people that only use them to get stains out. If you really want to use them for all of your wash, we make a bigger one. One of the things I'm really proud of with our American-made washboards is the way they've dovetailed the corners. This makes a much stronger corner. Here's the imported board made in another country which shall not be named. Notice how there's only one dovetail there, much less strong than this one, and I think if you look at the wood, you can also see the quality of the workmanship is much higher on the American-made washboard. And I'm no musician, but I understand you can actually play it too. I have no idea how that works. I've seen it done, and we've got the washboards for it. American-made. Laundry department wanted to show you about drying clothes when the weather's not cooperating, or in the winter. You still need a place to dry your clothes. We've got indoor clothes racks, Amish-made, very high quality. They're strong. You know, you hang your wet clothes on here. There's a lot of weight on here. These racks will take it because they're made to take it. Big space here, 40 feet of lineal space to dry your clothes in. But the really nice thing is it doesn't take up much room to store. There's a latch here, unlatch, and presto, you're ready to put it away someplace in a compact space. And of course, reassembling it, nothing to it. Just lift it up, let this latch engage, like that, and you're ready to dry again. So you have to know the Amish are experts at drying clothes, right? And taking your clothes and pinning them on the clothesline and moving down the clothesline, dragging your laundry basket behind you, that's not a very efficient way to hang clothes on the line. So the Amish came up with a better way. We've got this pulley. You put a pulley at each end. There's a tightener here, which allows you to keep tension on the line. And then you can pull your clothes to you as you take them off the line or as you put them on the line. And if you even want to take it a step further, you put the other side higher than this side. And then when you're rolling it in, your clothes come to you. You don't even have to pull them to you. It's a great little system, very high quality pulleys and all the components. They're made in Canada or in the US. If you're going to dry clothes on a clothesline, this is the way to do it. Here at Lehman's, we take laundry seriously. And of course, we're trying to do it all by hand. So we have the washing machines, we have the washboard, we have the drying equipment, and we have all the kinds of detergent that you need to get the job done. We've got homemade detergent, we've got chemical-free detergent, we've got the old names you may remember, Arm & Hammer, Borax 20 Mule Team, Bell's Naphtha. We also have a kit to make your own laundry soap, everything you need, all in one bucket.